Oh, he provided screenshots and a lot of them. Yes, yes, thank you. All right. Hi, I couldn't open my camera on my laptop. And it says, "Hi, I couldn't open my camera on my laptop. The camera is inbuilt and the OS I'm using is Windows 11 Pro. So when I try to open up a camera, it says, okay, so there is the memory address, no camera search. What does it say? No cameras are attached. Okay, so it doesn't see the camera. And sorry about that. I have tried troubleshooting the issue, watched the videos on YouTube, but still couldn't solve it. I have tried to uninstall the camera in Device Manager. I couldn't find it for the first time because it was hidden. Later, I found that it uninstalled it, and now I'm trying to reinstall it and install it. Now I'm trying to reinstall it. I couldn't find the camera at all. Okay, I have even tried to install legacy drivers, and I can see the camera in the common hardware types, but when I click on it, there's no manufacturer in the model and camera. Man, I have a feeling that I already know what this issue is. I've also tried to install imaging devices, but no use of them. Could you please help me with this issue? I'll help you as much as I can, man, but I think, hey, there's a video too, it looks like it. MP4, that's awesome. Let's go look at the screenshots first. I really think this is like incompatibility issue, and I feel like this might be installed on a laptop, which it doesn't matter. But you did say it's a built-in camera. And here, what we're looking at here is add hardware wizard, if you will, right? Here it lets you pick what kind of hardware you're installing, and he's selecting camera, and he's going to click next. And the next, well, this is the first part of it when you initiate the hardware wizard. I'm trying to see, and then it looks like something comes up, remote desktop camera. Okay, and that's those are the all screenshots, all of the screenshots. Yeah, so it's three screenshots, three screenshots. Sorry about that. Uh, Here's a video, and is he gonna say something? Oh no, he's just doing it. So he's going through the wizard. Yeah, it's a laptop. You see, it's a laptop. All right. Search for. Well, you can also select the specify, but it did sound like you tried to do it. Because if you go back here, so here you can select to install the hardware that I manually select from the list advanced. Now, when you go there, you should be able to specify the folder with the drivers that you've downloaded. So you may have to download these legacy drivers that you've talked about, right? You may have to download them and look them up specifically for your laptop. And then if you select install the hardware that I manually select from the list and it says advanced, it's not that advanced. Just make sure you unzip the folder with the driver on it. Locate the folder with the driver on it and select that. And then it should populate. If there is a compatible driver, it will populate. So how does that look like? Well, here it is. So in your search, you just have to type in dev mgmt.msc, I believe. There it is. So it's dev mgmt.msc. This is if your device manager is blocked by administrator. So if you have it like this and you have the administrator login, you can find this, run it as administrator. And then we're going to add a device, or we can update the device. For example, let's pick something that's not going to crash my computer while I'm using it here. Let's do this here. I'm just going to update one of these drivers here. And here it is. It kind of looks like this, but if you select browse my computer for drivers and then select here, let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. This is how it looks like on Windows 10, by the way. And what we are looking at here is kind of similar, just slightly different. It's just the add hardware wizard. But if you were to do the same thing on the other one and choose that, here it is what I was talking about. You can select have disk and then locate the folder where you unzipped the driver. So let's say it's on your desktop, find it in there, select it, and then select open. It's going to open up that folder with the driver information. You see here how it says .inf. That's the information. That's what you're looking for. So those extension files to look for. And once you find, it's going to populate like this. Whatever is compatible, it's going to populate it here, and then all you do is just select the correct one. Okay, hopefully that gets you to the right place. And in this case, I hate to tell you, but it's most likely related to just not being compatible with Windows 11. For those reasons, I still don't have Windows 11 installed because I don't feel like updating, like having issues like this. You know what I mean? Not yet. I'm going to wait at least another half a year before I install Windows 11 on my computer. And I'm going to say hello, Sanjeev. This is Irvin with PC support. I have your ticket about camera not working. Please download the drivers from the manufacturer. I'm gonna misspell this. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. From the manufacturer's website. Hopefully they are compatible with Windows 11, and let me know if Sanjeev, come on man, let me know if you upgraded your computer to Windows 11. And it's possible, I don't know why people are in a rush to do this, but I see a lot of people doing this, just rushing to upgrade to Windows 11 for some reason. And try to install the drivers manually using the hardware wizard. Yeah, let me know if that works.